y'all, it's your girl the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video, you guys, I'm doing my very first recorded client makeup tutorial. You guys, I'm super duper excited to finally just show you guys what I've been doing behind the scenes. So today I have Styles by Kay with me. She be slaying my braids each and every time, sis, so I will leave her information down below. But today we're just doing a makeup look for her photo shoot for her business. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is prepping her eyebrows using the Derma Blend translucent setting powder. I always like to go in with the translucent powder just because it gets the eyebrows nice and matte, but it doesn't dry them out too much. So that way, whatever eyebrow product I go in with, it'll be able to be long lasting. And this is definitely my go-to, especially if you have oily eyebrows or an oily T-zone. Y'all, this will keep your eyebrows looking nice and fresh all day long. And for her eyebrows today, I did go in with the Morphe pencil in the shade Java, and I'm just sculpting out her eyebrows with the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. I will have all of the products listed down below in the description box that I used in this makeup tutorial. And y'all, my model today, she did want me to let you guys know that she was very, very tired. Like, she had a long week this week up until this point. So she just wanted me to let you guys know that she's not mad or upset. This girl is just tired. She be working. But you guys, doing eyebrows is literally my favorite part. So as you guys can see, like, I'm super duper focused, making sure I'm getting her eyebrows nice and clean. And one thing that I like to do with doing eyebrows, I like to use a lighter concealer right underneath the brow bone. That's going to give a nice lifted highlighted effect as if she just got her eyebrows waxed. And then I like to go in with a concealer shade that is closer, a little bit closer to the complexion, but still lighter in the front of the eyebrows. So we still have that nice sculpted highlighted effect. And to blend out her concealer underneath the eyebrows, I'm just going in with the Mary Kay cream color brush. This has literally been my favorite brush lately to blend out concealer, especially underneath the eyebrows. And I'm just going to make sure that I have everything blended out to my liking before moving on to the top of the eyebrows. And y'all, just look how nicely that concealer blends out. Y'all let me know down below in the description box if you guys have any other concealer favorites. But right now, the Born This Way Too Faced is my favorite. So after I have finished her eyebrows, I'm just prepping her skin with the e.l.f. Setting spray. I believe that is the coconut mist flavor. And I like to do this to just bring some hydration back into the skin before I actually apply my foundation. And before I go in with the foundation, I just like to pack in that setting spray so that way we have a nice base for her foundation. And I'm also using the Milk Hydro Grip Eye Primer. This was my first time using this product. So I definitely will let you guys know how I feel about this eye primer. I normally just go in with my Milk Hydro Grip foundation primer all over the face. And I'm just going to let her primer sit and soak into her skin. So I'm going to go back into the eyes, and I'm using the Born This Way Too Faced concealer to prep as her eyeshadow base. And I'm just using the same concealer shade that I used for the front of her eyebrows, and I'm patting that all over her eyelid to give me a nice base for her eyeshadow. So if you guys do not have like an actual eye primer, you can always use your concealers as your eyeshadow bases.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do.
Alright you guys, so for her eyeshadow look today, we're just going to be using literally one, and I believe I used maybe two eyeshadows from the Morphe Gilded Desert palette, you guys. So we were going for a smoky eye effect, but I wanted to use a brown smoky eye just because I didn't want it to be too dark. So I'm just literally packing on this brown eyeshadow on her eyelid until I get the intensity that I want, and then I'm going to blend out the harsh lines so that way it gives it a nice blown out smoky effect. So this is one of the easiest ways that I have learned to do a smoky eye, especially if you're a beginner and just don't want to go in with a lot of eyeshadow. Definitely building it up will help you to avoid having to go back and just to remove anything off. So I'm just repeating the same thing on the other eye, you guys. I'm just building up that intensity of her eyeshadow, just packing a little bit of eyeshadow on at a time. And I am using a flat, rounded eyeshadow brush to apply her eyeshadow. And I did go in with a darker brown, just a little bit, but blending those two shades together allowed it to give that smoky eye effect. And here I'm just lining her eyes with a liquid eyeliner, and we decided just to do a simple wing because she had some really beautiful big lashes that we applied, so I really didn't have to do too much with the eyeliner. And now we are applying foundation. I'm using the NARS Longwear Foundation, Naturally Radiant Foundation today, and I'm just applying it with the foundation brush. And y'all, just look how buttery that foundation just blends out. Like, y'all, this is probably like one of my favorite things about makeup, just seeing the whole transformation and process. Like, y'all, I just love blending out foundation. Like, yes, it just looks like skin. Like, look how that foundation just melts into her skin. So y'all let me know in the comments below if you guys are enjoying this client makeup tutorial, and of course comment below what your favorite part about this tutorial has been thus far. And y'all, when you are blending out that foundation, definitely make sure that you hit that jawline, that hairline, those ears, so that way everything looks like it is blended into the skin and it doesn't look like a mask on their face. And here I'm just going in with her under eye concealer. I decided to go about 2, almost 3 shades lighter just because she was taking some HD photos that I really wanted her makeup to pop. And I'm just applying that with a small tapered flat brush, and I'm going back in with the Mary Kay cream color brush to blend out her under eye concealer.
It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do.
And y'all, I'm sorry, I am all in the way. I'm still trying to figure out my positioning with recording clients and making sure that I can see what I'm doing, because I like to be up close and making sure I'm getting those details. So y'all just bear with me with that. But y'all, this is basically the final results. We just put a little bit of bottom liner on the bottom. And yes, like, she was definitely loving it and feeling it. This is literally maybe my 4th time doing her makeup, and it just keeps getting better and better each and every time. So y'all, we were just super duper hyped at how beautiful this came out. And you guys, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below. Share this video with your beauty besties so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.